Falamos de mais de 500 mil hectares do nosso país que ficaram negros, sem vida.
We are all aware of the constant forest fires that invade Portugal with enormous frequency and intensity, destroying land, vegetation, habitats. This impact of deforestation is driven by human activity.
Our mini company presents an asset that protects damaged resources in order to reduce environmental impact and enrich national biodiversity.
We intend to produce a vegetable film cover that allows the regeneration and nutrition of soils/vegetations. These films will be made up of cellulosic materials, which play an essential role in promoting healthy vegetation growth and improving soil quality, providing nutrients, improving soil structure, stimulating biological activity, contributing to the vitality of the ecosystem.
Besides contributing to the healthy recovery of the nature, our product can be used by agricultural entities in their production, with the aim of increasing production and quality, expanding the agricultural market. Nutrifilm helps to enrich soils, vegetations, contributing to the biological footprint, as it does not use any additives or chemicals. Join us in our mission to preserve and protect the environment. Together, we can make a difference.
By Nutrifilm.
Nature thanks.